Welcome. In this video I will show you how to keep your LG Gram from going to sleep automatically. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, select System on the sidebar, then go to Power and Battery menu. Then, expand Screen Sleep and Hibernate Timeouts menu, and here you can change the sleep timeout both for plugged in and on battery modes of your computer. If you want to keep your device from going to sleep forever, you have to change this value to never next to make my device sleep after option, and you can do this for both plugged in and a battery, as I said before. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.